What's up, guys? Assalamu alaikum. We're gonna go try out the, look at the maze. We're gonna give the maze a run. This is the maze in front of Dubai Mall. So, let's see what they got going on with it. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, let's go this way.
Let's go this way. Which way do we go?
This way. Let's go this way.
I'm gonna go this way. Where'd you go? So way out? Let's go this way. Hold on. This way, this way. Oh, we made it out. It was too easy. Let's go get lost again. Hold on, it was too easy. Okay, so we're going to Texas Roadhouse, but we're not going for the ribs this time. Usually we go to Texas Roadhouse and order the ribs. Today, we're just gonna go for the chicken. So we're gonna have some Texas Roadhouse chicken. All right. For table for 5.
For 5.
Yeah.
Including the babies.
Well, there's no babies, but this guy's a baby. All right, so we have to wait 25 to 35 minutes to be seated. So just gonna take a little walk around, I guess. What's this place called?
Sorry?
What is this place called?
It's Italy.
It's called Italy, Eatery.
Italy.
It's called Italy.
Here.
Italy. I gotcha. Can I zoom in on your tag? All right, it's called Italy. I got you. I guess you guys sell cheese. That was a quick 25. That was a quick 25 minutes. Actually, that wasn't even 25 minutes. That was more like 5 minutes. It was more like 5. That was more like 5-10 minutes. But anyhow, we're really hungry, so let's see what we can order today. We said we're gonna order chicken and vegetables. No? Where's the menu? Okay, what to order? Alright, let me see. Where's the chicken at? Where's the chicken? Beef. Oven roasted chicken combo. No, that's not it. Alright. Smothered chicken. That's not it. Crispy chicken strips. That's not it. Oven roasted chicken.
3 minutes.
What is it?
3 minutes for you.
Okay. All right. We might be ready to order. I'm not sure.
I'll give you more time, sir.
Okay, more time. All right. What is it? What was it called? The chicken that you wanted to order?
There.
Oven roasted chicken. Oven roasted chicken. Right.
Grilled barbecue chicken.
Grilled barbecue chicken or oven roasted chicken?
This is a different menu from what I saw.
I think I'm gonna go for the oven roasted chicken.